Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw in Venmo when bank verification fails. Detailed guide step by step clearly. If your bank verification fails on Venmo, don't worry, you can still withdraw your funds. Begin by opening the Venmo app on your mobile device. Log into your account if you haven't already. Go to the Manage Balance section of the app. Try to withdraw your funds as usual by clicking on the Transfer to Bank option. If the bank verification fails, an error message will appear. Take note of the error message for reference. Next, tap on the Settings gear icon to adjust your bank information. Select Payment Methods to review your linked bank account. Ensure that your bank account information is accurate, including routing and account numbers. If everything looks correct, check if your bank is supported by Venmo. If your bank isn't supported, you'll need to link a different bank account. To add a new bank account, tap on Add Bank or Card. Choose Bank and select your preferred method for verification. You can opt for instant verification or manual verification. For instant verification, enter your online banking credentials. If choosing manual verification, provide your routing and account numbers. Venmo will make 2 small deposits into your account for confirmation. After you receive these deposits, return to the Venmo app. Verify these amounts by entering them into the app. Once your bank account is verified, return to the Manage Balance section. Attempt to withdraw your funds again by selecting Transfer to Bank. If the issue persists, consider contacting Venmo support for assistance. Provide them with detailed information about the verification error. They may offer additional solutions or escalate the issue for you. In the meantime, you can keep your Venmo balance until the verification is resolved. Always ensure your app is updated to avoid potential glitches. Following these steps will help you withdraw your funds even after a bank verification failure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.